Hello guys, welcome to the latest video from KTV, and today I am at Exeter St David on the Great Western Main Line, one of my locals. So today you're going to be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Cross Country and South West Trains. Over here is 153318 and 150127, which is at the front, forming the 1018 Great Western Railway service to Paignton. It's a local stopping service, so we'll most likely call it the likes of Exeter St Thomas, Starcross, Dawlish and Ivy Bridge, the ones that wouldn't usually call that. Down there is a South West Trains class 159. It's actually a pair. No, it's actually a single set. Okay, that's going to be fun if it's going to get busy. It's a single 159. And that will be forming the 1025 South West train service to London Waterloo via Salisbury. That will also take along the West of England main line. So other than that, this is Exeter St David. Over there is the Exeter train care depot, where a lot of the sprinters and pacers, yes, pacers, sort of go when they're not in use or when they're not in service, when they need to be worked on, or you know how a depot works. So, hope you enjoyed this video. So, let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started. Okay, the first train of the day will be the 1011 Great Western Railway service to Paignton from London Paddington. This is regarded as the Devon Express. It's got a special name to it. It's one of Great Western Railway's special named high-speed trains, the Devon Express. Won't actually be named it on the actual HST, but it's just one that it's regarded as on the timetable. So yeah, 1011 service to Paignton from London Paddington, this one is. And on the front, 431079. Okay, she'll catch her rear numbers as she goes out. Okay, departing now is the 1011 Great Western Railway service to Paignton from London Paddington. Makes up the rear. Darn, I was one off the green HST. Darn it. Well, one of the green HSTs, because we know 005 and I think it's 1041 and 141 has been repainted. I had a bit of a memory loss there. It's one of the two. So there it goes off to Paignton. Calls at Dawlish, Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. Okay, coming in now is the 1016 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth from Paignton, formed of a pair of 143 pacers. God help me, I haven't seen one of these in a while. 143617. And 143620. And now I know why I hate 143s as much as I do 142s. Okay, I'm ready to go now is the 1018 Great Western Railway service to Paignton, formed of 150127 and 153318. So the Exmouth train is slightly delayed by about 2 minutes. pure, that's clagging away lovely there. Ooh. It's letting off a lot of steam. It smells as well, that 153. Ooh. Okay, departing now is the 1016 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. This one goes via the Advocate line to Exmouth. 143620 and 143617. And an announcement in for the 1024 service to Aberdeen, which is run by Cross Country. It's got a long way to go, that one. Okay, arriving in now is the 1025 Southwest train service to London Waterloo. And it's formed of 159002. There's a lot coming in. We've also got the 1027 Great Western Railway service to Barnstaple, formed of a 143 Pacer. That's also arriving in here. Well, that one came charging around the corner, that one. This is 143619. And also coming in is the 1024 cross country service to Aberdeen via Birmingham New Street, from the 221131. Okay, so just getting my head around everything. This is 159002. This one will be pulling out for the 1025. So that will be the second train to pull out, given that this one won't be delayed. The 1027 is a Pacer, that's off to Barnstaple via the Tarka line. And this is 221131 for Aberdeen via so many stops that it's pointless me reading them out, because I'll want to drink afterwards. Let's see who strikes first. I believe 221131 is up first. But I reckon it might be both 159002 and 221131 that depart at the same time, because they're both very different directions. Because the Southwest trains are taking the curve around to Exeter Central, and this one's going straight down this way towards Cowley Bridge Junction. So let's see. Yes, it will be 221131. And the whistle's blown for 159002 as well. And if we about turn, off goes 159002. Forming the 1025 Southwest train service to London Waterloo via the West of England main line. Sorry, they all came in at once. It's always 20 past the hour. Just this station starts going insane. So let's see what's next. It'll be the 1027 out next. Okay, Okay, departing now is 143619, forming the 1027 Great Western Railway service to Barnstaple. I just want to say thank you to the lady on the 221131, I meant to say, who let off that fantastic two-tone, and thank you to the driver there of the 143 who let off actually a pretty decent two-tone for a 143. You know, the flange may sound pretty bad, but the tone is actually pretty decent. So yeah, thank you very much to the driver, and he also gave me a nod, so that's much appreciated. See, it just proves that after Train Spotting Live aired, that they'll still treat you the same, you know. Nothing's going to change, maybe it'll be more embraced. Okay, pulling in now is the 1032 Great Western Railway service to Paignton, coming in from Cardiff Central. It's formed of a 153 and a 150, and the 153 let off a cheeky little two-tone. That was just coming just as it passed Exeter New Yard. 153 377. With oh, I'll tell you in a minute. And 15122. The 153 is also showing off its part livery of the celebration of the Oakhampton service for Summer Saturdays. So that's got its little patch on the 153. Also, the 150, if you noticed, is missing the first on the livery on the side. It's just got Great Western. I think they've done that intentionally because of the rebranding that happened back in last September. So yeah, fair play to them. Very cheeky. Well, I'd say very cheeky. I'd just say very discreet. Okay, the 1032 service to Paignton is ready to go. They were going to go earlier on, but they're just getting some last minute passengers who are running for the train on. She goes around the corner there, or towards Starcross, which is the next stop.
Newton Abbott.
Okay, pulling in now is the 1045 cross-country service to Plymouth from Leeds.
Is at the rear of the train.
Yeah, so this is the 1045 cross-country service arrival from Leeds, formed of a HST, and that's pretty good. It's nice to see a HST. It's 43207 on the front. Okay, also arriving in is the 1042 terminating service from London Waterloo. Formed of a single 159, it's 159016. Okay, pulling out now is a 1045 cross-country service to Plymouth. 366 is on the rear. Also departing is the 1042 terminating service off to the Exeter New Yard, 159016. Basically all it does is it just goes down the line and then waits at Exeter New Yard until 11:20 and then comes back over to platform 1 from the 11:25 to London Waterloo.
The next bus to depart from the front of the station for the 10:48 service to View.
Okay, next train to show up is the 1050 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Paignton.
Platform 5 for the 10:50 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly via Birmingham Tube.
God, it's charging its way in. 221123. And also showed up is the 1049 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth from Barnstaple. It's 143618. So we'll see her go out in a minute. Okay, departing now we have the 1049 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth from Barnstaple, and also the 1050 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. But I believe the Pacer is out first. Goody, 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 not. So again, we have 143618. And 221123 there, just departing with the 1050 cross-country service to Manchester or Manchester Piccadilly. Whichever, should take your pick. See what I did there? Alright, and there's 143618. To be honest, I don't know what logic just went into my head there where I just decided to focus my attention on the Pacer. I should have focused it on the Voyager, on the Super Voyager really. God, I must be in a good mood.
Calling at Exeter St
Okay,
David.
arriving now
Starcross,
is a
Dawlish
3-car
Borough,
150
Dawlish,
boarding
Timber,
the 1058
Newton
Great Western
Toll,
Railway service to Paignton from
and
Exmouth.
Paignton. This
It
train
is
has 3 coaches.
150926. Nice to see one of the 3 car sets pop up here at Exeter. It's quite good. So arriving in now is the 1056 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington via Bristol Temple Meads. And also 150926 is departing with the 1058 service to Paignton. That was 43131 on that one. Again, that's 15926. And the rear of this one makes up 43183. Okay, departing now is the 1056 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington via Bristol Temple Meads. she is running about 5 minutes late. I think it was just down to a late departure in Newton Abbot. It was just due to a lot of passengers getting on. And that's all really it was down to. Usually when it's about a 5-minute delay down here, it's usually down to Newton Abbot, Totnes, Plymouth, Cornwall stations having a delay. Well, it might have been a train fault, but I doubt that if it was only 5 minutes. So it was probably just a lot of passengers, or it's just a late departure in general. Okay, pulling into Exeter St David's now is the 11:39 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, and it is formed of one of the green HSTs. And also it is calling at Reading and London Paddington only. So it's the 10:44 departure from Plymouth. Yeah, it's the green HST, it's one of them anyway. Let's see which green HST we've got. 43005, we've got the new one. So it's 43005 at the front. It means 430 or 141. Can't remember which it is. Will make up the rear. Okay, also pulling in is the 11:35 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth from Cardiff Central. Formed of a 150, 150-216. But right now my attention is focused on this. But you know, we're actually doing alright. Okay, departing now is the 10:39 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Sorry, 10:39, 11:39, sorry. Also pulling in is the 11:42 arrival from London Waterloo. So that's 43005 at the front. With a meningitis truss back, and also obviously in the new livery, looking very, very lovely. So she'll call Reading and London Paddington only. So she'll skip through Tiverton, Taunton, Castlecary, Pewsey, and go straight, and Newbury, and go straight to Reading. Also arriving in, we have a 150-216 over there. It's just departed with the 10:35. So, oh my god, I'm going to get it right now. 11:35 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. And here we have a 159, which is terminated in from London Waterloo. I think it's on one set again. And also coming in is the 11:45 cross-country service to Plymouth. We'll see that in a minute. Okay, coming in now is the 11:45 cross-country service to Plymouth. This service is coming in from York. Formed of a 220. (220-020). Also departing now is the 11:42 arrival, which came in from London Waterloo, which is now departing to the Exeter New Yard. It is 159004. And the front car of it is looking absolutely filthy. But what do you get when you have a 159 running for so many years? She's just going to stop at a red light. So there's no passengers aboard her. She's basically an empty stock movement now, and a train manager on board, or it might be a cleaner, with the Basingstoke and Dean plaque on nameplate, sorry, on the exterior of the train. Oh look, and just as I cut out, it goes. There we go. 159004. The rear end of it is looking much cleaner than the front. So all she's going to do is pull into the Exeter New Yard, which is just down there. You see where that orange triangular building is? It's just going to go. It's not actually going to go there. Actually, yes, it is. It's actually just going to pull up there, just in front of it. So whilst that one goes, there's 220-020. As she's about to go with the 11:45 cross-country service to Plymouth. I just had a thought, and I need a bit of cheering up, so I'm going to make my way, in a little while, I'm going to make my way over to Cowley Bridge Junction and go and take a look. I'm going to do a video there, so you'll expect a video from Cowley Bridge. We'll just see what it's like. Sounds like a nice place to go to. So, obviously, just to let you know as well, Exeter St David will... I have planned it for Series 9, and it will happen again in Series 9, so don't think that when I'm doing it now it won't happen in Series 9, because that's not the case. I will be doing it again. I just like the station so much, it's worthy of doing it twice. But I thought I'd do Exeter and Cowley Bridge today, and do Exeter and Cowley Bridge in Series 9, and who knows, might be in Series 10, but I doubt that. I just thought I needed a midweek trick, I needed some cheering up. Well, now I need cheering up anyway, but yeah. Yeah, let's, I'll go there in a little while, but let's stay here for a bit. Okay, arriving in now is the, sorry, I'm going to say 10 all the time, aren't I? 11:49, Great Western Railway service to Exmouth, 15131, this one's coming in from Barnstaple. Okay, and the final train of the day will be 15131, forming the 11:49 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. And as she departs, I shall end the video there whilst I go to Cowley Bridge Junction. So, thank you guys for watching my video from Exeter St David's. It'll probably be a much longer video once I do it in Series 9 as planned. If you have liked what you've seen here at Exeter St David's, then please do like and subscribe, as that's much appreciated, as always. Any comments you make, I'll get back to you as and when I can, and any recommendations are welcome as well. So, Exeter St David's is always a good station to visit. It's never disappointed with stock. Always a good variety that comes through here. HSTs, Voyagers, 150s, 159s, Pacers, dare I say the word. So yeah, it's just been a nice looking bit of variety here, but I'm going to give Cowley Bridge Junction a whirl, and I'll give it a whirl again in Series 9, of course. So, yep, this is it. So, from me here at Exeter St David's, I shall bid you all farewell. Next stop will be Cowleybridge Junction, and the next station I will announce there, but you know anyway. In case you've forgotten, I'll tell you in Cowleybridge. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys.